and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over 3 different ways to get Microsoft PowerPoint for free. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. The first way to get Microsoft PowerPoint for free is on Office.com. So if you go to www.office.com, if you've never signed in before, you will be prompted to create a free Microsoft account. Go ahead and do that. It won't cost you anything. But if you do have a Microsoft account, go ahead and log in with that. And once you're logged in, you should see this screen. And if you look over here on the left, you can click on PowerPoint. And all of my files that I've been working on in PowerPoint should be available here. So if I click on New Blank Presentation, I will launch PowerPoint with most of the basic functionality to be able to create a lot of different options on my slideshow. So the nice thing about using the online version is no matter what computer you are on, you can always log into Office.com and you will be able to see all of your files here. So they're tied to your account out on the cloud, so you don't have to worry about opening up a file that you've saved on your computer. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. The second way to get PowerPoint for free is the desktop version. Now the desktop version will allow you to use files on your computer when you're not connected to the internet. So if I go down here and I search for Store, I'm going to want to go to the Microsoft Store right here. And up here in my search, I'm going to type in PowerPoint and just click on it right here. And I'm going to go over here to PowerPoint Mobile. And I can see that that comes from Microsoft. And I'm going to hit Get. And this will allow me to have the free version of PowerPoint on my computer. So once I have that installed, I can go down here to my search box and I can just type in PowerPoint and I can get to the app on my desktop. The third way to get PowerPoint for free is to go onto your smartphone. Now I'm going to do this from an iPhone, but you can follow a very similar process from a Droid. So I'm going to click on the App Store, and once in there, I'm going to type PowerPoint. And I can scroll down to the app right here and click Get, and go ahead and go through the install process. And once the app has been downloaded, this is the icon that will appear on your smartphone. So just go ahead and click on that and click Get Started and go through the first few screens. And you will be able to click on Blank Presentation. And I would choose the option to start with slides. And from here, you should be able to start your own new presentation that will be available on the cloud later on in case you want to also use this from your PC. If I hit Done, I can also go over here to my folders and I can search my folders in case I have a presentation that I would like to open up and edit. That's also out on the cloud. So I can edit this on the go just straight from my phone if I have a really quick change that I need to make. So hopefully that gives you a quick introduction to 3 different ways you can get Microsoft PowerPoint for free. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.